Bodycentre was established in 1996 and is a professional accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre recognised for quality repairs and excellent customer satisfaction in the Norfolk area, from light commercial vehicles to prestige cars. The progress of our company has been achieved by our reputation for quality repairs, supported by our experienced customer service team, through extensive training, dedication and innovation and the latest specialist equipment. The Bodycentre are recognised as a specialist in our area, supported by leading manufacturers and insurance companies. The Bodycentre Ltd was founded by my mum and dad 24 years ago. They worked together at a delivery company for many years before coming up with a great idea. They took the enormous jump together and the Bodycentre was born. My dad taking control of the workshop side and my mum taking control of the office side and the customers. I spent many weekends up the workshop as a young boy, which then led to a Saturday job. When I left school, I started working full-time for my mum and dad as a panel beater. In 2009, my dad was diagnosed with cancer. By 2010, he had passed away. As you can imagine, the pain me, my mum, my little sister Sophie, our family and Team Bodycentre went through was unexplainable. He was such a strong and passionate and powerful man. After many years of grieving, the Bodycentre was doubted and had many offers from other body shops who wanted our pot of gold, wondering if we could carry on. Some of the services the Bodycentre provides are minor and major accident repairs, vehicle wrapping, restoration, brake calipers, window tinting, diamond cut wheels, alloy wheel refurbishments, colour coordinations, body kits and vehicle detailing. If you have any further inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Our boys mean absolutely everything to us. We're like a small family here. Some of the boys have spent over 18 years with us. Due to us holding some of the biggest manufacturer approvals in our industry, our boys have to be trained at the highest level possible. So 2 to 3 day, sometimes even week-long courses are a regular procedure for our team. For over 15 years now, we've held the approvals for Land Rover, Jaguar, Honda, Volvo, Hyundai, Renault, Suzuki, Mitsubishi, Dacia and Kia, and many more on the horizon. Which again leads to us having to have the highest level of training and the best equipment available to carry out the biggest and the correct procedures on these types of vehicles. If you have an accident and you go back to the main dealer where you bought your vehicle from, your vehicle will be diverted to the Bodycentre. This also means all your warranty is upheld if your vehicle comes to the Bodycentre. We also supply you a certificate to say that your vehicle has been repaired at the authorised repairer. The Bodycentre works with all insurance companies. If you have an accident and phone your insurance company, they will try and send you to a certain body shop. Legally, it's your choice where your vehicle is repaired. Some insurance companies will also say to you, you will not be supplied a free courtesy vehicle, you will not be supplied any paint warranty, and there will be additionals to your excess. The Bodycentre supplies a free courtesy vehicle, 5 years paint warranty, and we also work very closely with our customers to secure the job. So if you would like to use the Bodycentre to repair your vehicle, remember it's legally your choice where your car is repaired. So when you call your insurance, explain that you want to use the Bodycentre and we will take control of your complete claim for you. As well as working with main dealers, insurance companies and the general public, we also work very closely with Norwich City Football Club. They have given us some great opportunities to create some amazing projects. We, unlike other body shops, have to work extremely hard to secure our work. We're not supplied by insurance companies on a daily basis, so customer care is a major part of our service. We've done the majority of the Norwich City football teams over the years, but some of our favourites at the Bodycentre are Leroy Fur's Lamborghini Huracan, we wrapped in black chrome. Nathan Redmond's Range Rover Sport, we converted to a Project Khan and wrapped in a matte military green. Ricky Van Wolfswinkel had a lovely Range Rover. Bradley Johnson's Range Rover. Gary Hooper's Ferrari 458. Josh Murphy's Mercedes GLE. Elliot Bennett had a lovely Range Rover Sport. There's loads more. Click the link below to see loads more of the videos that we've done. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I really hope you've got more of an understanding of the Bodycentre. Thank you all for watching.